talk about
subject-verb agreement.
The definition of subject-verb agreement means that the subject and the verb must agree both in number and person. This means that if one is singular, the other needs to be singular, and the same goes for plural. So in the first example, the incorrect example of this sentence would be, the dog run through the hole in the fence. This is obviously incorrect because you can just hear it, but the dog is singular, run is a plural verb. So to correct this, you would agree dog and runs. So the dog runs through the hole in the fence, runs agrees with the singular dog, therefore creating a correct sentence.
the words each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anybody, anyone, nobody, somebody, someone, and no one are singular and require a singular verb. For example, the sentence, each of these hot dogs are juicy, is incorrect because each is singular. So the correct version of the sentence would be, each of these hot dogs is juicy.
If the subject is plural, then you want to use a plural verb. So you can see here, Margaret and her friends, that's plural is subject. The subject is plural, so you want the verb to be plural. So Margaret and her friends is going to the movies this weekend. The verb used in the bad example is singular. So you want to correct that by saying Margaret and her friends are going to the movies this weekend by using the proper verb for the subject, which is are, since it's plural.
How can we check for subject-verb agreement problems? Check your draft by circling each sentence subject and drawing a line with an arrow to that subject's verb. For example, say you had written, the old men are angry and stamp into the house. Well, you would circle the old men and you would draw an arrow to stamp. Another example would be, either are correct, and the correct way to write this would be, either is correct. This is correct because each and either are always singular.
So to recap, if you have a singular subject, you must use a singular verb to match. And if you have a plural subject, you must use a plural verb to grammatically match them together. The words either and each are always singular, no matter the sentence. And to check your draft, you can always circle your subject and then draw an arrow connecting it to the verb to make sure that they agree.